Okay, now I can.
You need to have your. You need to have your. Wow. This is what we have to deal with.
All
And
the
he wants to
time.
know why he gets kicked out of bed. Oh, he's not loud as normal. Why is your phone, your light not on? Oh, he's getting louder again. What? What? Talk.
Is he fake?
No, he's really sleeping. He's not faking. That's Dad. Oh, wow. Amazing. And you want to know why I put my hand over your mouth or plug your nose, honey? This is why. Listen to yourself. Said you don't. Wow.
Should we stop
If
it?
you close your mouth, David, and breathe through your nose, you see how that noise all comes out your mouth? Oh, yeah. He's going to get mad when he wakes up.